Hello, what's up guys? What's going on? And hello everyone. FIFA had added additional 5,000 tickets, but still everyone is suffering without not having a ticket. The ticket prices are getting higher and higher at the back end. So I did get some requests whether I can build a bot that can automatically book tickets from the reselling site. I did attempt up to a certain level. So let me explain you what this bot does. If you wait till the end of this video, I will be sharing the link of this bot, and also I will be explaining what's the thought process of this bot. First, we need to create an account and log in to the site. Then if we load the website at the moment, you will see a result page like this, but it should look like this. So what my bot is doing is, if the website look like this and if we pre-select a team here, for example, if we need to select Morocco vs Portugal team match, it will refresh the page every 10 seconds and check if this is available. So if this is available, bot will automatically go and click here. Once we click here, we'll be getting a page like this. It's very similar to waiting page. Once we click the go for the waiting page, my bot is designed to send an email to any predetermined mail address telling, wake up, you need to book the ticket. After that, we can trigger mail to your phone saying like that the ticket is found. So you can go for the other part and end the process and complete the payment process. So this is my small bot. Will go until it appears to be green for your selected team. So I think this is also another option. You can try it at home and give it a chance. And also make sure I'm going to upload this bot into my GitHub account, so you can download it free and try it. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know if you need any help with it. Thank you.